Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own manure out of stinging nettles. I did it for the first time this year because, as you might have seen on Instagram, I planted tomatoes myself and they need a lot of nutrients, so I wanted to use the manure as fertilizer. At first I looked for stinging nettle plants and took a small amount of them with me, about 10 plants. If you want to know how to recognize stinging nettles, you can watch my video about stinging nettles, which is linked in the description and at the top right. Those 10 plants were enough for 1.5 liter. The plants are then covered with water in a container that should not be metallic. You can use the whole plant except the flowers. So that the plant stays underwater, you can put pieces of wood on them. The whole thing should be stirred once a day. In fact, you can do that with many other plants as well, such as the horsetail, which I will be making a video about soon. After a few days the first bubbles will form. It also starts to stink, so it's better to place the manure far away from everything. Depending on the weather, the liquid manure is ready after 2 to 3 weeks. You can tell by the fact that no more bubbles form and the liquid has turned dark. If it stands in the sun, it goes much faster. When I made the manure, it was about 30 degrees Celsius warm every day and it was wonderful weather, so it was ready after 10 days. Then I bottled the liquid. One time I filtered the liquid with a coffee filter, the other time I only made sure that no big parts came in, but in the end it didn't matter much. You can use the liquid manure for a very long time. I've had it for about 4 months and used it all the time. For tomatoes, the liquid manure is used weekly with a ratio of 10% liquid manure and 90% water. For young plants, you should use a little less fertilizer. The older the plant gets, the more it can tolerate. Against plant pests, such as aphids, you can't use liquid manure, but nettle decoction. This is the liquid that has already stood for 24 hours, but has not yet fermented. The best way to do this is to spray the plant with the brew using a spray bottle. Repeat the treatment until no pest infestation can be detected. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.